Hello friends and welcome back to my channel. Today is day 4 of 12 tags for 12 days of Christmas and the prompt is Furry Critters. If you haven't seen the previous 3 tags, I'm going to leave the link above so you can check it out. So I had these stickers from Jolee's and I decided to use a couple of them in the pack. I ended up using the deer and the bird. I did find this sticker in Amazon and I will leave the link below in case you are interested. I'm going to start by inking the edges of the tags. I do have 2 sizes, one is smaller than the other. And I have been using Vintage Photo as a distress ink from Tim Holtz. I will leave the link below as well. I'm ready to assemble the tag. I'm going to add some burlap because again, I want to add dimension to this tag. So I'm going to scrunch up the burlap and then place the deer over. But before I do that, I am also going to add some green ribbon just to give it a contrast against the burlap and the deer. The Merry Christmas I'm going to use on this tag is from a stamp and die set from Michaels. I did see it a few days ago at my local store, so if you're interested, just check out your local store and hopefully they still have some in stock. And right before I'm going to glue down the Merry Christmas, I had some leftover burlap string that I didn't want to trash, so I decided to just put it on the tag as well and put the Merry over it, again to add additional dimension to the tag. Once I glued down the bird, I felt like something was missing, so I decided to add additional green ribbon to tie it all together. And for final touches, I did add some stars, also mistletoe on the top right. And this tag is perfect. I absolutely love the way it came out. It reminds me of a nature scene, especially a winter nature scene. So tell me what you think below. Also, give this video a like and watch Luisa's and Eileen's channels so you can check out their tags. They're absolutely beautiful. Until tomorrow, I will be showing you tag number 5 and I can't wait. So come back. Thank you and God bless.